Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the book of Colossians, chapters 1 to 4, from the Bible. Whether you're new to Bible studies or just curious, stick around as we unravel the timeless wisdom and profound teachings in these chapters. Chapter 1 kicks off with Paul, an apostle of Christ, writing to the church in Colossae. He praises them for their faith and love, praying for their spiritual growth. One of the major themes here is the supremacy of Christ. Paul emphasizes that Christ is the image of the invisible God, and through him all things were created.
In verse 13 and 14, we learn that through Christ's sacrifice, we have redemption and the forgiveness of sins, a core belief for Christians. Moving to chapter 2, Paul warns against false teachings. He reminds the Colossians of their complete salvation in Christ, urging them not to be deceived by hollow philosophies. Verses like chapter 2, verse 8 highlight this, as Paul advises to stay rooted in Christ, not human traditions. This underscores the idea that true wisdom and spiritual fullness are found in Him alone. In chapter 3, we explore the new life in Christ. Paul encourages believers to set their minds on things above, not earthly things. Verses 12 to 14 are key as Paul outlines the virtues of compassion, kindness, humility, and above all, love. He talks about unity and peace, urging the community to let Christ's message dwell among them richly. It's a guide to living a life reflecting Christ's teaching. Finally, chapter 4 wraps it all up with Paul giving final instructions. He stresses the importance of prayer and being wise in how we act toward outsiders. Verses 5 and 6 remind us to make the most of every opportunity and let our conversation be full of grace. Paul's closing remarks include personal greetings and instructions, highlighting the significance of relationships in spreading the gospel. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Colossians 1 to 4. It's a letter packed with deep insights about faith, identity in Christ, and how to live a life that honors Him.